Water. Not quite sure where it's coming in from. Do have some slight little cracking there, but it's not going all the way through. Must be the seal. Let's give it. Right, so I found where the leak was, but whilst I was cleaning it, I dropped the headlight and this came off. But anyway, the leak was on this top edge. So what I've done is I've taken it apart, given it a good clean, and I'm going to glue this back on and then seal it with some silicone. Probably could do with a new one at some point, but I'm a cheap ass bitch. So I've glued it and sealed it with some silicone. Hopefully that does the trick.